In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your internet by installing network adapter drivers on Windows 10 and 11. If your computer suddenly can't connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, or the internet keeps dropping, there's a good chance your network adapter driver is missing, outdated, or corrupted. The driver is the small piece of software that lets Windows talk to your network hardware. So if it's not working properly, your connection usually won't work either. We're going to walk through a clear process you can follow to reinstall or update that driver. You can do this even if you're not very technical, as long as you move slowly and follow along. Start by opening Device Manager. On Windows 10 and 11, the quickest way is to right-click the Start button on your taskbar. Then choose Device Manager from the menu. A new window will open, showing a list of all the hardware in your computer. In that list, look for the category called Network Adapters. Then click the little arrow to expand it. Here, you should see one or more entries with names like Wi-Fi, Wireless, or Ethernet. This is your network adapter. If you see a small warning icon, like a yellow triangle, that's a strong sign the driver needs attention. Right-click your main adapter and choose Update Driver. In the window that appears, you'll have two options. If your computer still has some kind of internet connection, choose the option to search automatically for drivers. Windows will look online for the latest version and install it if it finds anything newer. Let it finish, then restart your computer and test your connection. If you don't have internet on that machine at all, you'll need to download the driver from another device, like a laptop or phone, using your computer manufacturer's website. Make sure you pick the correct model and Windows version. Then save the downloaded driver file to a USB drive and plug it into the problem PC. Back in Device Manager, right-click the adapter again. Choose Update Driver, but this time select the option to browse your computer for drivers. Point it to the folder on your USB drive where you saved the file. Then continue. Windows will install the driver from there. When it's done, restart your computer. After the restart, go back to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and see if it's working. In most cases, a clean driver install like this will restore your internet. If it does, you're all set, and you now know how to fix network driver issues on Windows 10 and 11.